Yes, what a pleasure.
What's happening? Welcome to another episode with me again and my buddy Zaid there at the back. Yeah guys, we are at Boskop Dam in Potchefstroom and it's a bit windy. Obviously we've only arrived here, we got on the water just after 8 because of the curfew here in South Africa with the COVID and all that, but yeah, it started off good. We've come into an area here and I've managed to catch one good fishy, as you'll obviously see in the video. But let's make the best of it. It is flipping windy, I don't know if you can see in the back, but we're gonna make the best of it and see if we can catch any big boys. Anyways, enjoy. Okay. Whoa, dude. There's my rod. How the we did not see that. Came off from that side. Yes!
Yo, buddy.
That was cool. Yeah. Oh my word, it's a good fish.
Leave the net.
That's a good fish, bro. Proper good fish. On the. Wait, he's coming this way.
Oh, that's a big one. Nice, we started Oh, what this thing?
Yes!
Yo, well done, dude.
You smacked it properly, bro. Yeah, look at that belly. What a good fish to start off with, dude.
Yeah, nice.
Hey, what a good fish to start off with.
Yes, dude, what a pleasure.
Woo!
I thought you were still a
Woo, that was lekker.
Welcome back, Vaccinator! The moment you think you might be staying a bit longer in South Africa, it gives us a good time.
Yeah, that was lekker. Oh, another one on the froggy frog.
Boskop. That's the boskop size there.
Yeah, the way he came out, came floating up for it, and then boom. I was like, oh look, a bass.
I was like, huh? What are you saying, man?
Lexo. Wow, that's big. Get it out that grass, bro. Yes. Oh, it's off. No, that sounded big.
Massive. That was massive.
And the way it pulled you. Oh. Yes, well, the sound of the smash was huge, and then the way he pulled you into the grass. Oh, they got in there, man. Close to the reeds. Ah, he's off, he's off. again. In the water.
That was cool.
There we go.
Big one.
Well, it's fighting. No, not big, but it's lekker. Oh no, don't get stuck there. Oh no. Oh, and he's off.
Why? You shouldn't have pulled it, but I was expecting you.
Oh, fuck! Oh no.
That must be good.
On the foggy.
One thing about frog, it produces like.
Look at that, another big one. I think it's another, this is probably 1.6 or so, just longer. Hey?
Put it on the scale.
165, 166, there we go, 166.
There we go.
That was awesome, I saw it. There's a camera there. Yes, I saw that. It came out of nowhere. Maybe it's the same one that went for me now. It's in that same area.
Yeah, they come out of nowhere, these guys, eh? Better than my little things. It was not what we wanted.
Two biggest fish. Yeah. It hit me, missed. And you came over that same area and bam.
Love it, love it, love it, love it.
Let the camera charge a little bit. And fishy numero, I think maybe about 8 to 10 for me already, man. I've had a few hits now. Lekker. Top water again on Itties Secret Frog. Yo! That was our day at boskop, guys. Wasn't easy, but we managed to find some decent fish. All the other people we spoke to that was on the water on the boats all said that they struggled. They couldn't find any big fish. So I think if we were doing a comp or something, it would have been pretty good. I mean, I caught the 1.66, a 1.5, a 1.3, and the other one I didn't weigh, but I think it was 1.1, 1.2. And then Zaid caught a couple of smaller fish, and then he managed one that was about also 1 kilo something. So it could have been a good comp day, but it was tough. I was expecting to catch a lot more fish, but didn't happen. Caught my first big fish in the morning on the bull shad. That was an awesome take. and then my other big fish all came on the ET secret frog. Did I catch on anything else? I can't remember now. Mainly on the frog that we caught, or that I caught. That was always fun, you know, when you start catching top water, you don't want to catch anything else. Anyways, guys, happy New Year's, by the way. 2021. Hopefully it's a better year for us all. Also keep your prayers and thoughts for Jean de Toy. He's still in hospital recovering. He's getting better day by day, but you know, it's being in hospital with this COVID, anything can happen. So keep your prayers for him. Wish him all the luck you can. At the bottom in the comments, he will read it. I will show him. And catch you guys in the next episode, I guess. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.